gap in terms of the geographical concept, then we'll name this stream, then also we'll name this point. So we'll start here. A point whereby river A has now joined with river B. We call this point, it's an elbow of capture. This is an elbow of capture. It's a point where river A has joined with river B. But now we can say, because of stream piracy is okay, we can say river B now is called a capture stream. So river B is a capture stream. So what are we talking about when we're talking about a capture stream? We are talking about a river or the more energetic stream that has captured the water of, or that has stolen the water of river B, which is a less energetic stream. So what is meant by a capture stream? It's a stream that has captured the water of, that has stolen the water of a captured stream, which is river A. For river A, we are basically going to call it a captured stream. So here we are, a captured stream. What are we talking about? What are we basically referring to? We are referring to a river that has lost its water due to being stolen by river A, or due to be stolen by a captured stream. So this is what is basically happening. So now, we set a point whereby river A, or whereby river B, steals water of river A. We call it the elbow of capture. So now, because of river A, or river B, or because of river A, it has less energetic water, or because of river A or river B has stolen water from river A, which means river A will no longer flow as straight as it's supposed to be up until it reaches its river mouth. It means now it has changed the direction because of river B has captured the water of river A. This means here we are going to have a gap, and this gap geographically we are saying it's called a wind gap. So what are we basically referring to when we talk about a wind gap? It's an area between the elbow of capture as well as this stream, which we call it the misfit stream. Let me put it like this. This gap, it's called the wind gap because of it's a gap between the elbow of capture as well as the misfit stream. Now this is where we are going to see, or this is the river bed where we are going to see a little bit of a gravel to say this stream no longer passes straight, but instead it has changed the direction. Why did it change the direction? Because of river B has stolen the water of river A. So this is what we call the stream piracy. So now, what is this misfit stream? This misfit stream, because of now river A has changed the direction, and here we are going to see a little bit of the gravel. This means this river now, it will no longer supply this river with water or sufficient water. This means here we are going to have a stream that has basically dried out. So we're calling it the misfit stream. So now, this is stream piracy, and it's supposed to be like this. These concepts, they are related to what we call a stream piracy or a river capture. Now, the examiner likes to pop up a question. For example, he likes or she likes asking learners about the misfit stream as well as the capture stream. Now, let us say we are having a settlement A, or within the streams we are having settlements. Let us say we are having settlement A next to the misfit stream, and we are having settlement B next to the capture stream. Now, the examiner likes to say, in approximately 8 lines, explain how will the stream piracy influence, how will the stream piracy influence people living next to the misfit stream, which is settlement A. In short, this is how you're going to answer the question. Because of the examiner stated in approximately 8 lines, and in approximately 8 lines question, it means that we need 4 points in the form of a paragraph. If he states or if she states that, what would happen to the, or how will the misfit stream, or how will stream piracy affect people living in settlement A, or influence people living in settlement A? We are going to say, because of the misfit stream has dried out, it means there will be lack water, lack of sufficient water. And when there is lack of sufficient water, it means now you are going to have lack of fertile soil. Now, if the soil is infertile, it means now you are going to have lack of famine, and as a result, the agricultural production will drastically drop. So this is a misfit stream in terms of the question. How will the stream piracy influence the misfit stream? Now, in terms of the capital stream, if you ask for how will the stream piracy influence people living in settlement B, which is living next to the capital stream? Because of this river B has now or is now having more sufficient water due to stealing the water from river A, which is stream piracy. It means now there will be flooding. So where people living in settlement A, they will suffer from flooding. But however, as they suffer from flooding, it means because of now this water has changed the direction, there will be some form of an erosion that takes place. It means now there will be erosion. So this erosion now will deposit